So we're here in the dome for part 2 of dome construction. We spent a bit of time clearing the floor up. We put down a weed cloth, as you'll see here, to basically stop the weeds growing through, to cover up the grasses. And then we put down this these wood chips. So that's nice, got a nice kind of more stable floor to start building things off of. And then we're going to focus a bit more on the roof. So we have used this kind of Hessian stuff, and it's been really windy last few days, so there's been a few tears, but surprisingly it's held up pretty well. So what we're doing is we're going to use this material, which is left over from our wedding. We used it over there in between the houses to create a bit of a shade on that temporary roof that we had, that we've now taken down. And yeah, we're going to finish up closing up these panels, so that, as you can see there, the sun behind me coming down here, so we can create a bit of a shaded area, basically closing up all of the top area and all these sort of side areas, leaving this like most bottom kind of row open, because we've got some things kind of growing up them, which might be able to create a bit of like a green barrier. And then also the intention is for us to kind of build some tables and sort of shelving in here to use as a kind of an area for propagation and seedlings and all that sort of stuff. Kind of like a shaded greenhouse, Stufenfrie. Yeah, that's the plan. So we're on the roof today. My mum's helping out. She's visiting from England. So yeah, getting measuring and cutting and then stapling. Jobs are good. So we're done. Got a nice little entrance here. The roof is all done. It's blocking out the sun. Maybe like 60-70% shade. Then we've left these two little windows open, one so that we can look out into the forest while we're out here, the other one to look back up towards the house. Yeah, so the idea is that then this flower bed slash area, planting area on the outside will also grow up, and some of them can climb up the dome, so a bit of a green wall at the bottom. We've got a space in the middle for some plants, and then we want to build some furniture, some little tables and shelves and stuff, and benches, to have little seedlings and cuttings and all sorts of planting good times, but protecting it from the really intense sun. So it's a little shade greenhouse. But yeah, getting there, looking pretty good.